Hi, welcome to Glide Tech Fix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to unlock Google Play from other games. So if you linked your Google Play to your games, this is how you can unlock it. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your phone settings. So right here on your phone settings, you scroll to the very end, click on the Google option here. So right here, you click on all service. Scroll to the very end, click on Play Games. So right from this place, click on the privacy and setting options. So you just scroll and click on delete profile and game data. So from here, you can just click on the particular game you want to delete. If you want to delete all of them, you can just click on it. If you want to delete it permanently, you can click on this delete permanently option and confirm you want to delete in order to delete it. So guys, that is it on how to unlink Google Play from other games. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow Glide Tech Fix for more phone tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.